Welcome to Longleaf Gates. This is a gated community that offers a private clubhouse and a community pool. These homes start in the 290s and they're gold fortified homes. So that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. You also have a builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. These homes come standard with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Come on in, let me show you around. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.